Hello, this is Raina with Lylo Crafts coming on today with a HSN haul, and March was crafting month, and so they had a few days where they had like their all-day crafting shows. So I purchased a couple items from them. So what I'm going to do is just open these boxes up and we'll be right back. Okay, so the first two items I purchased, these were a set, I believe that you got both, and it says they measure 6 by 6, and these are the dies to make these stand-up fully three-dimensional cards with a hanging piece that can even spin in the middle of these cards. So it comes with the die, and it comes with a piece to make the bow for the top, and then it comes with a butterfly over here, and then you have to cut this out multiple times to make this. And then it also came with this beautiful heart set, and I again think that hearts can be used all year around. So this one is shaped in a heart, and it has the two pieces of heart in the middle, and then I believe like the string goes right through the middle. And so I cannot wait to go ahead and play with these and make these cards and see how they go. I've never done anything at all like this, so super excited for these two. And these are Crafter's Companion dies. So I've never even bought a Crafter's Companion die before. So I'm hoping that those cut really well and that they work great. And then I purchased two Anna Griffin things. And so this one is a card that has, it's actually the basket that cuts out and then it pops up three-dimensional when you open the card. So I thought that was so amazing when I saw Anna demonstrating that. And so this is what it looks like. So here is the base piece, and these are nice pieces. Like this base is like 4.5 inches, and most of her cards are 5 by 7 that she creates. So my guess is that's what this would fit in, because this basket is nice sized, definitely nice size. So and here's the handle for the basket. So I am so excited. And you can stuff this with anything. You can make this a spring like what they did. You can put things in here for a birthday, or, you know, if people like Hello Kitty, you could put Hello Kitty in there. They have this one has little kitty cats inside. So really you can put anything that you want inside of there. So I'm very excited to try this. They call it the basket pop-up die. So super fun. And then I was really excited about this. This is all birthday stickers and sentiments to add to projects, to embellishments, to cards. And so the first thing that it comes with are all of these sentiments. Look how beautiful these are. Birthday wishes and best birthday wishes and happy birthday to you in an oval. And here's some that are in a banner shape. It says birthday wishes, hugs. It says birthday hugs and wishes. So these are beautiful. Again, these can be put in the front of a card, on the inside of a card to make an embellishment. So great. They're like the perfect size. And it comes in this beautiful container. Look at those sweet images on here. I do have to say all of these HSN packaging were really, really great. So let's look at these pretty things, pretty goodies. So most of her stuff is fairly Victorian and probably a little bit more than my normal taste, but I thought that these things could be slightly modernized and that they were also really pretty in their more vintage format. Look at these beautiful balloons. Wow, those are gorgeous. I love all the gold accents. Just love all the gold accents. And then look at these cakes. They're already popped up. They're already dimensional, so pretty. So you get 4 of these cakes. Looks like you get 4 of everything. So here are some of these, like, I forget what these things are called. The kind of cornucopia shaped, but you can put it like this as a megaphone too. I think this is so sweet. You could even put somebody's face on it and make it a dress. So many ways to use this. And then here are some other cakes. Now these could be wedding cakes too. They don't just have to be birthday cakes, right? These wedding cakes, oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, and look at these presents. There's different presents in here. So here's some pink presents, very, very sweet. And then here's some light blue presents. Again, all of these are dimensional. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, and look at these cupcakes. Cupcakes are so sweet. And then there's champagne flutes. And then there's like cupcakes on a stand. Look at all of these beautiful goodies that are in here. It just goes on. And here's some in cream. And then let's see here. Here's some yellow presents. Oh, these presents are very pretty. Look at this green with the pink and the lavender. Very, very pretty. So, and here's another cake on a stand. Absolutely gorgeous, and more cupcakes. So there's just so many, many pieces to this. Really tons of it, and I love it, and I cannot wait to play with these. The reason why I picked birthdays is it seems like birthdays are always rolling around, and I'm always having to create things, and sometimes I'm scrambling because I don't have enough time, and now I'll be able to put some beautiful things together in a jiffy. So that is it. That is my HSN haul today. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would so love it if you subscribe and become part of the Lylo Crafts family. And if you could give this video a thumbs up if you like the content in any way, I would really appreciate it, as that does help my channel to grow. And I'm really trying to grow my channel right now. And also, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.